All right, we're back at Kennywood. We're here for Bites and Pints. So we are back once again for Bites and Pints. We rolled the dice and decided to come out tonight, even though it was thunderstorming when we left our house. But now the sun has come out. We're hoping that all the people left the park. There's still a pretty good crowd here. We're gonna go get something to eat. All right, first up, we got a gyro from Greece. This was like one of my favorite things last year, and it is so good. What do you think of the show?
I mean, it was fun. It's very, very simple and yet very entertaining. I mean,
extremely entertaining.
I think people just want to get wet, like just blast people with water and then get excited.
It's a great show. It's very, very fun, and the crowd that it pulls in around the pool is absolutely incredible. What you got?
I got the dumplings. It's called the yaki mandu.
Is that how you say it?
Yeah.
How is it?
What?
Good.
Really hot.
Really, like hot as in spicy? So far, the clear winner of the evening is the steak and white bean salad over at Brazil. We've gotten it twice, and our children have eaten the entire thing like so fast. Like Derek and I haven't even gotten a bite in. It's really good. Back again for more gyros. So good. Shrimp. Now it's raining. Oh boy. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. One of those skies where you're like, there has to be a rainbow somewhere, but I just don't see it. But it's clearly raining and there's sun behind me. And obviously we all got very wet. Oh well, it's all part of the experience. So the absolute best part about it raining at a park, when you know that the rain is gonna pass, is that you know that half the crowd is gonna leave. Like, that's just how it happens. So if you can stick out the rain when you know that it's passing, stick it out, because then when the rain is gone, the sun comes back out, there will be no lines and you can go ride anything you want. So we're gonna go ride Phantom. Oh, and yes, we finished off our bite card. We just got one card and we split everything between the four of us and we're all stuffed.
It's purple.
Yes.
Oh, God, we take that one then. Come on, Gigi. This is purple. Oh, I want to climb it. Oh, there. Whee!
Thus ends another lovely evening at Kennywood. Love Bites and Pints. As always, it is a fantastic, amazing event. The food is all so good. You cannot go wrong with absolutely anything. The show, holy crap, amazing. So much fun. And then obviously riding a whole bunch of things. After the rain moved through and the park cleared out and there was no line for anything, turned into an absolute beautiful night. Thanks for another wonderful evening, Kennywood.
While you're enjoying yourselves here at the nation's greatest picnic park, I'm certainly going to try.